think Hobby's watching my YouTube video. As in, why was I even holding my phone? Good morning, guys. Here, yesterday was a long day, really long day. We ended up sleeping around, actually I slept around, I think about 5 a.m. in the morning, because was it no, it was 5. I was editing.
It's coffee for you.
No, it's hot chocolate. Take your orange juice, please. So Hobby slept around 6. I slept around 4:30. Guys, the coffee we drank yesterday literally kept us awake till that time. Inside our eyes, it was like we're tired, but externally our eyes were like this, literally like this. So we just woke up now, having breakfast. This is what I'm having. I'm having toast, I'm having sausages, I'm having eggs, I'm having mushrooms, as well as baked beans. I have my hot chocolate here, and Bae has the same thing, but his eggs are sunny side up, and he's drinking his usual fresh juice, which I'm actually tired of. To be honest, hot chocolate is literally life. Wow. This right now is going to taste amazing because I added a lot of honey, and oh God.
Meetings are always too sweet.
Mad. Oh guys, this is mad. So I literally cannot watch it without watching a movie. They're doing this in secondary school.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so this is currently 7:30 p.m. I've been editing since morning. Not really editing, but I've been struggling with one of my content. I'm still editing it. I'm kind of working on the thumbnail right now. So I have a couple of options between this one, but honestly the video would definitely be live. So I hate the fact that Sony takes time to correct the white balance. I'm looking orange and I don't know why. So basically that is it. So today was I don't want to say not productive, but it was that kind of day. So for dinner, guys, this looks so good. I feel like it's gonna taste even better. We're having shrimp cocktail salad with grilled fish, pan-grilled fish, potatoes. Yeah, I can see my shrimps, tomatoes, avocado, lettuce. Woo. Good morning, guys. Actually, this is not morning. This is 12:38 in the noon. I feel like I want to kind of have like a mini. I'm always drinking water these days because I need to be drinking water. Like I said, I'm kind of dehydrated, so I need to stay hydrated. So I just got a message now from Heritage Hair Salon, I think. Guys, I'm gonna do my hair tomorrow. I've not been to the salon I don't even know the last time I went to the salon. Like, I've not been to the salon in years. Let's just say years to be on the safe side. So tomorrow I have an appointment by 9 a.m. I was thinking of having like a pamper day tomorrow. Just do like maybe even do my lashes, change my nails. So I'm pretty excited because I haven't been to a salon in years, and I think I'm going to vlog the experience because my hair is so damaged, is so dry. So I want to really like maybe treat it after I relax it, trim it a lot basically. So for today, guys, we are filming today because, like I said, I have a target to meet. I want to film like a skincare video. Today I'm focusing on skin, maybe do like a really light makeup and kind of get with it. But I don't want to kind of end today without filming. So I want to film at least 2 or 3 contents today. So that's this vlog, my skincare morning kind of pamper routine, and then continue vlogging when I go out, if that makes sense. Hey guys, so I know I look crazy. Yeah, so I'm almost done with my skincare video. This is what we're looking like right now. I'm just masking my face at this point just for added hydration. I do want my skin to be very, very, very hydrated basically. So that's what we did and that's what we have now. You know what, let me round up my video and then come back because this just looks so ridiculous. This right here is how my face is looking after everything that we did. I'm not mad at it. Like I said, I'm not, sun is too much. I'm so tired for some funny weird reasons. Usually I film like plenty videos in a day, but today I'm just like, oh no, my head is like, I think it's this thing on my head. I low-key like it because it's like getting my hair out of the way. So I'm gonna put it back. I'm very pain.
A few moments later.
So I'm done resting. This is a weird angle, and this is like my husband's shirt that I always tend to wear every single time I'm at home. What I think I'm going to do is to bake a cake today. This is totally unplanned, but I think my eggs might be, I don't know, let me check. I usually have my baking ingredients here in this cupboard. So I'm just gonna check for all that I have. Okay, I have baking powder. I feel like I need to bring you guys down. I think we are safe. So I have baking powder. I have cocoa powder actually. I didn't know I had that, but I have it. I have baking powder, baking soda. I have flour. I have sugar. I have pistachio. I have some nuts. Oh my god, I'm such a nutty person. This would have been perfect for banana bread. I have butter. I have my tools here, like the whatever pans I need, whatever it is, they are just stored here. I got this from Kiki's favorite thing, guys. I'm such a Kiki's fan. Hi Kiki, in case by mistake you kind of find me whenever it is, I'm your biggest fan. I love your work. So I'm gonna be using this sieve over here, one of these 3 pans for my cake, but I probably would use this one because it's pink. So I'm probably going to be trying a recipe that I've never tried before, and we'll see how this works. Typically whenever I'm working here, there's always music playing because it just has, there has to be music playing, you know. You get what I mean? Let me just connect. Obviously this is going to be off because of copyright issue, but I am going to be jawing. So when I want to talk, I'll just stop it. Okay guys, so I just realized that I don't have eggs, so I just called for eggs now. I had to beg, please help me buy eggs on the way. So I think I'm going to be playing around with, just because I'm in the mood to just play around, because it takes like 10 minutes to mix. I just have to put everything together and mix. So I'm going to be using these 2 bowls. So I have yogurt in my fridge. Okay, so in here I have 3 eggs, 1 cup of evaporated milk, 1/4 cup of oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You guys can see. I'm just going to mix this. So I'm gonna mix in the dry ingredients with the wet. I'm gonna pour this in. Hey guys, so it's been in the oven for literally 30 minutes now. The timer just went off, so I'm gonna grab my toothpick right here. I want to see if it's ready. Basically, this is what we are looking like now. Let me just dip this in. Oh, I think it still needs, oh, I think it's ready actually. Oh, okay, let me do it at the middle just to be sure. I think it's pretty hot. So we came out clean. I think hubby's watching my YouTube video. Babe! No sleep. I think he's watching my YouTube videos. Let me go and see. Did I tell you that he's my #1 supporter? With you. Are you watching my videos? I can tell. It's like my #1 YouTube supporter, low-key. I know can be so annoying sometimes. Like he would be watching my videos when I'm beside him and I cringe. But this song just like took me back. I'm like, yeah, that's our wedding video. So yeah, I'm sure he's trying to get money. He's trying to watch the ads so I can make the money. Because he's always asking, if I watch these videos for long, will I get will you make money? I'm like, yeah. I'm like, okay. What if you just watch and leave? Will you make money? I'm like, yeah, okay. So yeah, like I was saying, tomorrow I want to get my YouTube outfit, but let me check Instagram if I can get like a cheap thrift store. If I can get like 3K tops, 5K tops, just for like t-shirts. I know I can get that from like Shein and all that. It's quite cheap. But Nigeria, everything is so expensive, except you're thrifting. So let me see if I can thrift like 10 to 20 outfits for just YouTube. Because figuring out what to wear, like when I'm at home, I literally just wear like bomb shorts most times. Yeah, baby.
I know my dress well. Let me know repeat.
I'm to style you. I'm to style you.
Yeah.
Coming. Personal stylist. I'm gonna just turn off my cake. It's already literally 1 minute. Let me turn it off. Let me see what it's looking like. It's looking good. I'm just gonna close this up. It's off. It's done. I'll come back to it later and bring it out and put it on a rack so it can cool. But now, let me go and style hubby. You're still not dressed.
You're coming to style me. Get dressed.
Meanwhile.
Hey guys. I know it doesn't look like you, but I just spent the last 5 minutes crying. My eyes are still still looking good, but I literally just broke my phone. I don't know if you guys can see that. I literally just broke my phone. I was so angry. Like I was trying to hang something on the wardrobe. What's it called? Not even thinking straight. It literally just felt like the distance wasn't so much. So I was confused as to why it would crack like this, like it smashed. So at this point, I think God is really telling me to spend this 1 week focusing on content. As in, why was I even holding my phone? I know I look crazy, but I literally just took out my my wig and my weave. So I'm basically ready for my relaxing tomorrow. I just have to wake up early, guys. I allowed my cake to cool down. I'm so tired now. I think I'll probably make the frosting tomorrow, but let me just take this out of the pan. So I have my foil paper here. I'm just going to kind of turn this cake upside down. I'm going to frost it or cream it tomorrow. Let me just put it in the fridge. So I'm just gonna use my whipped cream as my cream since I didn't make any frosting or cream. I think I like this hair. Ooh. So I have my cake here. Don't know if you guys can see it. And I want to give it a taste. I want to taste it. I'm gonna go to my room, moving in a weird direction. Just take a look at this. So I don't know how to feel. Like, I can still do some basic things on my phone because now it's not acting up, but I feel like, and I know that it's going to have a serious problem by tomorrow morning. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. It's been a long day. Anyways, good night, guys. Thanks for watching this vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.